Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print a web page and save it as a PDF in your Chrome on computer. So launch your Chrome app and open any website or web page that you want to save as PDF. Say suppose this is the page that I want to save as a PDF. So what I can do is I can click on this three dot options, and here I have this command which says print. So I can just choose print, and from the destination here I have to choose a save as PDF as a destination, and once it is selected I can change this layout, and there are also some settings that I can configure based on that, and then hit on save, which will open the file explorer, and then I can choose the location where I want to save the file and hit on save command. So this will save the web page as a PDF file. After saving it as a PDF, you can choose any PDF viewer in your computer or even open the saved file on your Chrome browser. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.